everyone, how are you doing? Happy Friday. I hope you are having a great day. You have to let me know if you have any fun weekend plans. So today, before we get started on this very awesome box or unboxing, I want to let you guys know that two of my giveaways end tonight, like in a few hours. I'm not sure what time I'll get this edited and posted, but tonight my skincare giveaway along with my Ultra Tribe giveaway, they end at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So if you have not yet entered, please do so below. So tomorrow, likely, unless I'm up late tonight, probably tomorrow, I will use a random comment picker and then respond to the winner's comments. So if you did join my giveaways, make sure that your YouTube is public so I can make sure that you are subscribed to me, and then check the comment section on the videos tomorrow. Because yeah, that is how I will get a hold of you, and you have 48 hours to get back to me. So just wanted to let you guys all know. But yeah, today, look at this huge box. We have confetti collection. This is the second ever confetti collection that I received, and I absolutely loved the last box. So this is a bi-monthly subscription, so you get it every 2 months. The last one I opened was the April-May box. If you missed that, I will link it down below. I really loved it. This box I find to be affordable, especially for a bi-monthly box. It is $19.99. And it is just pretty unique compared to my other subscription boxes. You know I get a lot of them, but this one I got some things that I normally don't receive, and I just loved it. Like that one like notebook / planner with like the separation, like whatever, I don't know how you would describe that. I'm awful at describing things right now. I use that every day. On the front it says do what you love, and I use it for my YouTube planning and all of that. So I have high hopes for this box because last month was so great. So it always comes in this huge box like I already showed you. So yeah, let's get unboxing. I have my gold scissors, which I guess I scared someone the other day. They said this isn't safe, but I do my best to be safe. One day I will get a box cutter, but I really do love my gold scissors, even though they remind me of that movie. Can you guys guess? It was new like 2 months ago now. So when I open the box, this is what I see. It looks like it is neatly packaged and safely packaged with some bubble wrap. So let's get that open. And then everything inside is wrapped in some tissue paper, it looks like. Kind of show you, hopefully without spilling anything on the ground. So there's one thing outside of the tissue paper, so I will grab that first. And it looks like it's a mug. I always like to save these bubble wrap things. You guys do that? And then there's some plastic. Oh, this is so cute. This is like, what kind of material is it? Does it say? An enamel mug. But look how cute it is. I love the floral print. I love floral like anything pretty much, and I love coffee, so a coffee mug is always welcome here. I am so happy with this. This is by Enamel Mug, or this is by C.R. Gibson, and it is their enamel mug. I like just said that, didn't I? Awesome. Then there's a little thing here that says Flourish by Molly Hatch for C.R. Gibson. So this must have been like a collaboration. I think this is adorable. Now I can't remember if there's like a pamphlet or anything that gives you information, so let me see. Well, it seems like everything else is in this. Whoa, I just popped a bubble. So there's a lot of packing material in here. I'll probably use this to ship like a future giveaway or something, because that's very well packed. So the remainder of the items are in here. There's a little sticker that says Confetti Collection. Okay, there is a little, no, I could not remember. Don't judge me, I get a lot of boxes. Well, maybe you can judge me. Okay, so Confetti Collection. Surprise! This is the Note to Self box. Are you excited? Because we are. We put together a box full of cute and clever surprises just for you. Note to self, get creative. Thank you. Post your pics using the hashtag Confetti Collection box. Awesome. So Note to Self is the theme this month, which I like because I leave little notes for myself all the time. So I wonder if that's going to go with the theme. But here is everything wrapped up. Oh, we got something that seems to be from like the same line as the folders last month or last box. This is the Color Me coloring notepad. And I thought the file folders last time were so cute, and I love that you can actually color these in. So let's see. So yeah, it looks like this is just like some lined notepads that you can color. So awesome. So if you're into like doodling and coloring, this is perfect for you. And look how many pages there are. This is pretty thick. This is also by C.R. Gibson. So they make this mug too, or they made the mug. And this is the Earth Laughs Flowers Spiral List Pad with 300 pages. I knew it was a lot. Awesome. So again, that is what it looks like. Pretty big. Look, head test. Alright. And like last month, we got some things for wrapping or gifting. So this is super cute. I love that they have that in these boxes. Like last month, we got a bag that said like best day ever or something like that, along with stuff like this. So you can choose to gift the things you get in this bag or just use it to gift other things. And I love having stuff like that in the house because honestly, usually in situations where I need something like that, it's last minute. I have to run to the store when I'm already late to a party or wherever I'm going. So I love having stuff like this on hand. It becomes very useful. I don't have anything to wrap right at this moment. Maybe I'll throw some bows on my giveaway prize boxes or something like that. Because like I said, I have 2 ending tonight. All right, the next thing I see, looks like there's like a butterfly package. The first thing on top, I'll take this off first. Oh, how cute. So are these like little sticky notes or what? Let's see. X&O Paper Goods, a collection by C.R. Gibson. 300 index sticky notes, 75 of each design. Wow, that's a lot. These are so cute. So if you're into like color coding and stuff like that, you could use this, or you can just place these anywhere just because it's freaking adorable. So cute. And then, what is this? So this is like a bigger notepad with the butterfly. X&O Paper Goods, a collection by C.R. Gibson, super cute list pad with 75 sheets. Let me take the plastic off. So they're definitely sticking with the theme this month, or this box. I keep saying this month, you know what I mean. All right, so it goes like this way when you want to pull the sheets off, and there's several different colors. It's like yellow, blue, pink, and red. So that's cute, especially if you're a big butterfly fan. This is adorable. And then, oh my god, there's another thing like the book I loved last month. This one says lists on it, and I'm a huge list maker. I mean, I'll be honest, I have so many like lists and notepads and stuff like that, but I use them every single day. So let's read about this one or see what this is about. So this is by X&O Paper Goods, which is also a collection by C.R. Gibson. This is their flip memo pad and has 75 sheets. So I think you open it like this. Yeah, that's so cool. It's like a magnetic closure. Can you guys see that? It's super cute. Awesome. And then there's like a floral design here when you open it. So cute. That floral design's up here too. And this is perfect for lists because look, there's like the little bubbles right there you can like check off or fill in when you're done with whatever's on your to-do list. I love this. And the fact that it's so cute, oh my god, I'm totally gonna use this. And I like that there's a hard cover to like keep it all safe and like not mangled, and you know, if you spill something, maybe you won't get to all the pages. I just like realized I had all these notepads that had like a coffee spilled on it or wine. I don't know what happened. So this will protect it a little bit. Plus it is so cute and I would love to throw this in my bag. I love that it says lists on it. This is so cute. Oh, and like last time we have matching napkins to the cup. So in the last box we got a camel wine glass, I think camel, so like perfect for hump day, like Wine Wednesday. And we had matching napkins, and now, look it. So cute. I love this. This pattern is adorable. I love it so much. These are pretty big napkins too. This would be perfect for like, you know, a summer party or whatever. Like, let's see. So there's 16 3-ply guest/dinner napkins. Super cute. And this is from the same collection, The Flourish by Molly Hatch for C.R. Gibson. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cute. I just love cute things, and I love flowers. So cute. And there is one more thing. So I guess this might be like in every box. We have another gift bag, and how cute is this? I love it. Oh my god, I love the colors of it, white and gold, and then there's like a pink bottom, and then right here too. such a good thing to have around the house, and this is perfect. Like, I feel like a lot of people around this time of year are going to like weddings, bridal showers, baby showers, all of that. Like, this will work for any occasion. It is seriously so cute. And I think that is everything. So let's just do a quick recap. So we started off with our mug, which I love. I can't wait to use this. I actually really have to do the dishes, so I'll probably be using this like tomorrow morning. And the matching napkins. I just love that they do this. This is so cute. Like, see what I'm saying? How this is different than other boxes I get? And then we have the little cute bows and the ribbon, which we can use when we wrap whatever we put in this bag, which I think is so cute and definitely like can be used for pretty much any event. That's so awesome. And then we have the butterfly notepads, or there's like the little sticky notes, which are different colors. I don't know, this makes me want to like do something with like color coding when I'm organizing or something like that. We'll see. And then this little notepad, which I think it's cool how it like goes like this and there's different colors. I don't know, super cute. And then we have the coloring notepad, which, you know, I love lists and stuff like that, and I think coloring is super cute. I just remembered, I totally forgot, but I won like a giveaway from another YouTuber, and it's gonna be like adult coloring books and the pencils that go with it, so I'll be able to use them for this too. That is so fun. Awesome. And then probably my favorite thing and the last thing is the list on this little booklet. I think this is just so cute. I love the magnetic closure so much, and the color of it, the floral print inside, the fact that I can fill in the bubbles, because that's like my favorite part, like when I'm making lists, is like checking things off, which I think a lot of people can relate to. So yeah, I think this is my favorite. And this will go well next to my Things I Love book, or whatever it's called, the one that I use to organize all of my YouTube stuff. So yeah, I think this is another good box. I'm trying to think what one I like the best. I like both. You guys have to let me know. And again, if you missed the last unboxing, I will link that down below. And don't forget to enter my giveaways that end tonight. Yeah, so I love this box, you guys. Link down below, check it out if you're interested. This one is still available. This is the June/July box, so get your hands on it. It is so good and so affordable. $19.99, yes. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.